We are Somalia, God's chosen nation. Our pristine beaches, our precious waters, and that's just why we are the pearl of the Indian Ocean. We never give up, we are built on resilience. We rise and recover, rebuild and repair. We build our future because we believe in ourselves. We are now investing back at home. We believe in our homeland. We never give up. We are built on resilience. We are securing our citizens by reforming our security with discipline and dedication. We belong to the greatest in the Horn and in the globe. We are reliving our past because we believe in our future. Our fans are now filling the stadiums when we revive the sports. The fans are happy. Our fans are pouring in our stadiums. So are our farmers and fishermen are filling our baskets. We reap from our farms. We are farm in our future. We were amongst the greatest and we are getting back. We are Somalia. We belong to the greatest in the Horn and in the globe. Somalia, our motherland. The beautiful white star and the ocean flag.